guys, and welcome back to my channel, and I'm gonna tell you about ostrich food. Do you know that the ostrich is the largest living bird? It usually eats insects, fruits, seeds and buds. It also swallows stones, shells, pieces of woods and a bit of anything. From its height, 2.5 meters, they can see quite a lot. Its eyes are far back on its head and even it can see behind. When it sees something strange, it bends over, picks it up and swallows it. What is not digested stays in its stomach for its whole life. It not seems to bother at all. It can still run very fast, as quickly as a horse. They only spread their wings only for balance. Bye guys, and I will come back with some interesting topics. So guys, bye bye. Please guys, like, share, subscribe, and I will be back with some new interesting topics. So bye bye guys.